Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Strong Workout Tracker Gymlog application, which helps to plan our training or workout and track our progress. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Strong Workout Tracker Gymlog. Here you guys can see the application. Click on the download arrow to download it. It will take some time to download depending upon the internet. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its feature. Now you can use it for your workouts. So that's all for this video guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.